Hi cyber sisters and misters, welcome back to my channel. If you want to watch me go from this to this, then stay with me. Alright, so it's about 4 o'clock in the morning. I need to be up for work and ready to get out of here at about 5:30, but I fell asleep with conditioner on my hair last night.
And before we go any further, I already know I sound like this guy. Totally baritone at 4 a.m. in the morning. I've already pointed it out so we can carry on. Okay.
Guys, I've been so tired since I returned from my cruise. I don't know why you know what? Let me just be honest with you for a minute. I don't know what's going on, but my spirit just seems to be so unsettled. I can't put my finger on it. You know how you feel like something gloomy is on the horizon and you just want to shake that feeling? I haven't been able to shake that feeling lately. I don't know what's going on exactly. My sleep has been off. I was on my cruise last week, which I had an absolute blast with my family and friends. A blast. But I'm back stateside and time changed while I was on my vacation. And I haven't been able to just get my sleep pattern back down. So I just can't seem to fall asleep, and then when I do fall asleep, I can't seem to stay asleep. But I'm rambling enough. So all of my stuff is still packed away, all of my hair products, my hair tools, everything. So today I am going to just use what's available to me, and that is my son's hair care products. So that's what's out, that's what's not packed, and that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use this stuff to moisturize my hair, this to help to mold my hair, and also this. I'm trying to pull it together. Even my rubber bands are packed away. My hair ties, everything. Guys, what is going on with me? I don't even know. I don't know. I was so restless last night. I said my prayers and literally just laid there for like another 2 or 3 hours. I'm sure I fell asleep at some point. I haven't been up all night, but it's been a very restless few nights. Very, very restless. Trying to shake the feeling, trying to shake it, trying to stay positive. It's going to be a busy Christmas season because now I've committed to becoming a field training officer full-time. So that just simply means that I will help to bring new officers up to speed with policies and laws and the way, just the way that my division is ran. I'm going to use a little of this on my hair now to help mold my ponytail into place. This stuff right here. This is Long-A Curl Activator Gel. Great for wash and go natural and texturized styles. That's very interesting. I never knew that they were trying to market this product as a product for natural hair. And especially not in the sense of natural hair when I think of it. That brush is not getting it for me, so no, I'm not going to use that. I feel like it's tearing through my hair. I'm going to use this. I swear guys, all of my stuff is packed away to the point where I just had a few straggly rubber bands in here on the floor, and that's what I'm using. But guys, as I was saying, I don't know what the deal is or why I feel so restless. And when I say restless, I don't mean just tired. I mean restless. Like something sinister is just on the horizon. I don't know. I pray that's not the case. I pray that I'm just overreacting. Many people say what would be, etc. And that's how some people live their lives, but I don't live my life like that. I believe in a higher being, believe in Jesus Christ. I just just feel like, you know, we have to do some level of planning. It's not just what will be, will be. I don't want to rant. I don't want this video to be so down and gloomy either. I'm just going to sit here and reflect quietly. My last rubber band just broke.
Ooh, I found another one on the floor. That's the first time not vacuuming actually paid off.
So how did this turn out? I have absolutely no idea. Your guess is as good as mine. And again, I used my son's and my husband's products. Used the Longaid Curl Activator Gel. This is the Twist and Lock S Curl Free Flow Twist and Lock Gel. Superior Moisture, Ultimate Hold, no mineral oils, no alcohol. And I used Stay Soft Fro Hair and Scalp Spray. That's all I used. I even used my my son's piece of a hair comb. I haven't used this type of comb in so long. With the, you know, the big combs. They're big combs, but they're not really detangling combs because the teeth are too close together. But I guess that's what he's been using on his hair. Actually, the main thing that I see my son using on his hair is a pick. And I definitely wasn't using a wire. I wasn't going to use a wire afro pick on my hair. No way, no how. No way, no how. Yep, guess what this is gonna have to do, because you know what? It's time for your girl to go to patrol. This is the finished product, finished result. And I pulled this together so fast just so I can look presentable at work. Jazz it up and put some jewels on it and all of that stuff. But guess what? I'm going to work and it's not permitted anyway. So what would be the point? Not today. Not too bad. Kind of freezing up on me already, but it's gonna have to do. But hey, you get what you pay for. And what I paid for at this particular moment was to not go downstairs and unpack my things. Anyway, as I said, it's time for me to go and hit the time clock. All right, guys, it's the same night.
I decided to pop back on here really quickly.
After using AJ's products, this is what my hair is doing. It's not gonna hold.
These
Products don't have any hold factor to them. The Gel Activator by Longaid, the S Curl Twist and Lock, and the Stay Soft Fro Scalp Spray. So these are the 3 items that I used, and it's not gonna hold, but you know my hair is very moisturized from these products. I'm not mad at it. I'm gonna make it work tonight. So I did try to spruce up this hair just a little bit. Nothing too drastic. I added a few cuffs and some bobby pins, just some of the colorful decorative yarn, just trying to make it do what it do, because it was doing nothing. But it's a patrol style, and sometimes that's how it goes. Have to just pull it together really quickly so that I can get out the door and go.
For tonight, I wanted to spruce it up just a little bit because
I'm gonna have to take it all out tonight anyway. I can't wear this in my hair while I'm patrolling, so that's okay though. Tonight I'm gonna go out and have a little fun.
my family and I
Getting ready to go to game night on a Wednesday night, hump day game night. And with this time change, it seems like it's so much later than what it is, but there's only gonna be 2 other couples,
our kiddos.
but we were talked into going. So tonight we're gonna play some giant Uno. We're also gonna play some gestures, and I'm gonna introduce her to a game that we play so often in my family. We play spoons. Ooh, my tan lines are still here. I did just get back from Jamaica. Giant Uno. Absolutely love this. Love this, love this. It just brings a different flavor to the game when the cards are huge. We'll see what the night holds. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Subscribe, like, comment, share, all of that good stuff. Share, share, share. Like my toddler say, sharing is caring. But he's stingy. Anywho, thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.